We're going to do it on the same tune-up. We're running 100 shot. It has cooled down a lot, and I think traction is going to start getting pretty terrible for us, but we're going to keep our fingers crossed and see what happens. Here we go. It's 58 degrees out here right now, and my bottle pressure is starting to go out the window too. Alright, pass number 3, we're racing that Silverado again with the supercharger on it. Woo, guys, that was so close, I don't know who won that one. No idea who just won that race. We were dead neck and neck, guys. Woo! We spun a little bit again, and boy, he's getting closer. He's getting closer. All right, guys, see if I can get this camera to focus. That pass was pretty much the same as the last one, guys. It wasn't too bad. We did spin a little bit, but it wasn't too terrible. He's killing us off the tree. Like, I don't know what it is. I'm really late tonight on the tree, but I had a 1.7 60 foot again. We ran a 12.3 at 110.85 miles an hour. We actually went up on mile per hour, so that's cool. He ran a 12.6 at 111.15 miles an hour, so his mile an hour also went up about a full mile per hour. And guess what? I'm sitting here talking about the numbers, wondering who won the race because it was so close. Right lane was first, baby. Ram first by 0.0022, guys. Holy shit, that's close. Damn. Can't wait to show you this time slip, guys. All right, here we go. Here's the time slip for pass 3 on the 100 shot out of the hole. Look how close that is, guys, at the bottom. Right lane by 0.0022. Guys, we barely beat him. Barely. And that's a supercharged truck running like 15 pounds of boost, I think he said. NITROUS still took the win on that on a cold day. That's badass. All right, we're about to make another pass. Probably the last one for tonight. Same tune-up, 100 shot out of the hole. We're gonna try to see if we can stick it and run another 12.2 maybe. So, heck yeah. Because I got radios, you'll move that cone for me.
Okay. Yeah, they ain't telling us shit back there, man.
Yeah, if you can, move that cone for me when I get up there, bud.
Okay. Challenger, and we're out of gas. And we're out of nitrous. So I don't know how good that pass is going to be, because apparently we just finished it off on that run, guys. There's no more coming out the purge kit. I've used up the nitrous. Yep. Take it.
Oh yeah, we ran out of nitrous on that pass, guys. It felt like it got a little slower towards the end of the track, but we had a 1.7 60 foot. We did a 12.7 quarter mile at 106. So yeah, we definitely lost about 4 miles per hour. And we're pretty much done. So that kind of sucks. We was making some good passes tonight, guys. Definitely the best ones I've had ever. So yeah, I might make a couple hits on the motor. I don't know, we'll see. Nitrous is funner. All right, guys, here's that pass number 4 that we ran out of nitrous on. Focus, there we go. As you can see, we lost about 4 miles per hour. The 60 foot was about a 1.7. And yeah, we're just out of go-go juice, guys. It happens. So as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.